All right, guys, locked and loaded in Las Vegas here. Welcome to my first ever video. To start, we're going to talk about the Master 911. We all know the stigma around Master Lock. Not great locks, but Master 911 is kind of a little bit better than most Master Locks. A little bit small in the shackle, so it's kind of vulnerable to cutting attacks there, but nice weatherproofing on the body. Laminated steel body, so pretty strong in the body. Weatherproofing over the keyhole, so stuff doesn't get in the keyhole when it's outside. 5-pin core, a little bit better than most, but let's see what it takes to pick it open, and then we'll get it and see what's inside. Going to be going with my multi-pick 1mm top of the keyway tensioner. Oops. Let's get that in here. And we'll be going with my multi-pick PN06 standard hook in 25 thousandths. Click out of 5. Click out of 4, dropped into a false set. Getting a little bit of counter rotation out of 3. See if I can get him home. Yep, there we go. Readjust my tensioner. Let's head back to the back. 5 still feels set. 4 still feels set. 3 is good. Two's binding a little tightly there. Oh, counter rotation out of 1. Let's see if we can get 1 set. There we go. Nice click out of 1. We get some counter rotation here. Caught up a little bit. Let's check everything. There we go. And we are open. All right, I have the keys, so let's lock them up. And let's see what's inside. Allen key. So get this right on the first try. Might be a little big. Let's try this one here. No. There we go. Let's pull over my beautiful pinning tray from 3D Lock Sport. Go. All right. That just went flying across the room. See if we can find that later. Grab a follower here. See if I can do this without spewing pins everywhere. Excellent. All right. Let's see. Standard key pin there. Standard. Standard. 2 more standards. Gotta figure out which one's which here. Yep, there we go. All right, so all standard key pins. Get these organized here. Let's see what's in the Bible up here. All right. One is a spool. Two is a spool. Here's a spool. Four is a spool. And five is one of Master Lock's traditional lightly serrated pins. Being that they own American Lock, I'm always surprised that they don't have legitimately serrated key or driver pins, but that is their company's policy. Let's get a close-up view of these pins. So 4 spools and a very lightly serrated driver pin, and then 5 standard key pins. All right, thank you again for watching my first video, and see you again.